So you know you want to run some retargeting campaigns and don't know where to start? I have the perfect solution for you. My name is Leanna and I'm a paid media buyer. It basically means I buy ads for other people who want to sell their services and products. And when you're ready to start with retargeting, which you should probably do from the beginning, I would say when you're starting any campaign, you should pick up a copy of this book, Retargeting Recipes by Brooke. It's a great place to start because he's already done all the hard work for you. He spent over $10 million in online ads. And from that, he's extracted the top 7 proven reliable, set it and forget it campaigns. Isn't that a dream, right? Just pick up the book. The recipes are most of them are 1 page long, like here, and these are the advanced ones, so there's even more written on here. It's very easy to follow step by step, and you just set them up and let them run. Plus, if you pick up the book through the link on this page, I have $500 in bonuses for you. So all you have to do is pay for shipping and handling so we can get it into your hands. Follow the link below and follow the instructions, and you'll be able to get started with your retargeting.